Building monetization screens in mobile apps is usually painful. You need engineers, you need designers, you wait weeks, sometimes months, just to ship a paywall or onboarding flow. But what if you could do it in about 5 minutes and you only need to set it up once? That's exactly what I did with Qonversion's No-Code Builder 2.0. Here's a paywall I created in just a few clicks. No code, no waiting. And in this video, I will give you a complete product tour showing you how to build, customize, and ship monetization screens faster than ever, with the flexibility and reliability your business needs. No-Code Builder 2.0 is Qonversion's visual growth engine for building and optimizing monetization experiences. It's layered on top of Qonversion's powerful backend infrastructure. That means you can create and test and iterate paywalls, onboarding flows, promotions, and multi-step screens while Qonversion handles entitlements, A/B testing, analytics, and revenue attribution in the background. No-Code Builder 2.0 works across iOS, Android, React Native, Flutter, and Unity, with even more platforms coming soon. This product is built for product managers, growth marketeers, founders, and no-code builders who want to run experiments and ship results without engineering bottlenecks. So let's dive in. I will walk you step by step what makes this tool so powerful. When you open up No-Code Builder 2.0, you have two ways to start. Use ready-made templates from the templates gallery, and there's quite a few, and they are really beautiful. Or you could just create one from scratch by choosing a screen type. The available screen types are mobile paywall and mobile onboarding. Web funnels is also coming soon, which means you'll be able to create web-hosted funnels for ads, emails, or influencer campaigns. Now, templates are especially useful because they come fully wired, UI and logic included. You can also even request a custom template tailored to your own needs. After designing your paywall, to make it live, you need to complete the setup guide. Add products and integrate the SDK. It takes about 5 minutes and it only needs to be done once. Now, let's select a template. Let's scroll down and I will choose this one. Let's use this template. Now let's explore the interface. On the left sidebar, you will find 3 main sections. First off is the pages. This is where you can create multi-screen flows. For example, onboarding, paywall, welcome screen. You simply link them together and the user experience it as a natural, seamless journey. Next is layers. Every screen in No-Code Builder is organized into layers. And this is more than just a visual grouping. Layers are the core logic framework. You can nest components, rename them, hide them, reorganize them. It keeps everything structured and manageable, even if you're building complex flows. Now, let's just take a look at this one. I will just simply remove the continue button. Finally, you got the assets library. Reusable components like sliders, buttons, media, and so on. Let's take a look at them. We have our basics over here, the interactive, media, structure and section, product blocks. And that's why I removed this button over here. Let's click on single product. There we go. It just added it automatically. Let's move it up. Just click to place them in your screen and start customizing. I want to move it a little bit further down. Now let's move to the right sidebar where the real power is. Here you define actions, insert variables, customize styles, and set states. Let's discover the actions first. This is what makes your screen functional, and it is important to clarify actions are available only for buttons, containers, and icons. That's where you add logic. The types of actions include purchase actions, like select a product, make a purchase, restore a purchase, navigation actions, like go to a specific screen, close a screen or flow, and external actions like opening a URL or triggering a deep link for integrations. Here's the beauty. You can reconfigure products later on directly in the builder without updating your app on the App Store. That means you can adjust offers, trials, or pricing dynamically. By the way, iOS external payments are also available. Stripe is live and Paddle is coming soon. Let's select Make a Purchase. Let's talk about variables and macros. Want to display the current product price, the trial duration, a discount? Just insert a variable. Let me just select this one. And you can just insert a variable. It's a dynamic and always up to date. Take a look at all of these. It's really, really powerful. Okay, now let's check out the styles. Here you can customize spacing, margin, background, shadows, borders, everything down to the pixel. Next up is states. Let's select the entire product. You can define how a component looks in different states. For example, a button might be gray by default and turn into red once the subscription plan is selected. So this is the default one, and you just add a new selected state. And let's just scroll down and see the background over here. Let's have a color. If we scroll up, you can see the default one and the selected state. Every element can be fully customized from layout and style to dynamic states. Now, at the bottom, you will find frequently used components and device previews. Let's check out iPhone 12. This makes it super easy to check how your screen looks across different devices, ensuring your design is adaptive and consistent. Now, let's take a look at the finished screen in a browser preview. Let's click over here. Let me just move that in. This is exactly what your users will see in your app. Instantly rendered, stable, and customizable in just a few clicks. Now, speed is great, but stability is just as important. Qonversion ensures both speed and reliability through a multi-layered approach. 1. CDN delivery. Assets are delivered via a global CDN, so screens load instantly anywhere in the world. 2. SDK level caching. During a session, screens are preloaded in advance. That way, when a user triggers a paywall or onboarding flow, it shows up instantly, no waiting. And 3, fallback files. Let's take a look at them. Every screen you publish can be downloaded as a fallback file. If the API is temporarily unavailable, your app still loads the screen directly from the fallback. And this works for any type of screen, paywalls, onboarding, promotions. The only thing that still requires internet is the purchase itself, of course. By combining CDN delivery, SDK caching, and fallback files, No-Code Builder 2.0 guarantees both speed and resilience. Having gone through the whole process myself, I can confidently say that No-Code Builder 2.0 truly stands out for its flexibility. You can attach any logic to any element, mix states, define macros, and fully control styles without restriction. And because everything is visual, you don't wait for engineers. You just build, publish, ship growth experiments, and track analytics. The No-Code Builder is constantly evolving with features on the horizon like conditional logics and AI-powered tools that will make it even better.